Oh,
hey everyone, it is Jolly Wings here with Olivia Bean 57. Today we're going to be doing a review for the friendship party. And sorry if my voice sounds a little bit weird, my throat's sketchy, so
mine's not.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Alright, ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
So we're both going. Sorry if my screen is annoying, I'll adjust it. And we're not in the same one, so I'm gonna get into hers because I'm a good friend. And let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, it's full, guys. Excuse me.
Here, I'll come into yours.
Okay. No, I just got into yours. Don't leave. Alright, so we're gonna be reviewing it.
Oh, I see you.
I remember coming here like a really long time ago when I was like a new jammer, just coming here and being like, whoa. I love this thing. I like stood on here and then I just did like a bunch of these emotes. So yeah, this place brings back a lot of memories. Flavia? Do you have anything to say?
Well, it's my first time being in here, so.
Yeah, she's kind of a noob.
Oh, shut up.
Anyway, I really like the decorating. Like, I just want to know who decorates the Animal Jam parties, and I will like.
Hey, where's your other half of the necklace?
Pay them to decorate. Okay. Yeah, we have friendship goals. We have like little necklaces that match. So yeah, if we need like a matching outfit though, so we'll do that later. We'll do that at the end of the video.
I should be
An eagle? Okay, we'll do an eagle. And we should do a flamingo because I don't want to kill my eagle. Look, I've been it for like a year. Ooh, some items. Should we check them out?
Sure, let me find where you are.
Heart-shaped wishing well. That's really cool. I think I already got one though.
Well, you can only buy a few things.
I already got one. Oh, you can't buy anything else except the bouquet.
Yeah, I'm not gonna buy anything else. Sorry.
All right.
Okay.
And yeah, I love this and everything.
I'm looking to see where any of my buddies are.
Okay, cool.
No, look.
So yeah, guys, that was my opinion on the friendship party. Now me and Olivia will be making matching love. Sung by my dad.
Okay. Whoa, did you get, whoa.
Mine is paused right now, just so you know.
Okay.
Alright, so swap into your flamingo.
Look at this, everybody. Okay, bye.
Okay, swap into you guys at the end.
So me and Nicole are going to be doing our, well,
look.
Yeah, look. To match. Okay, bye.
So everyone, this is our, wait. I need to do some cropping. Look at this. Look at this cropping skill. Okay, now I will do the outro.
Okay.
Do an emote. The friendship necklace that matched. Do we have the same one? That'd be awkward.
Oh
no, we don't. No, we don't have the same one. Okay, and then we have the black sword and black elf braces things, and then we have the same tail.
Yeah.
So I think this is pretty successful. Took Olivia a while to finish some of this stuff, but we got it. So we're good now. So see you guys in my next video, and adios.
Yeah, same. Bye, people.